Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson, we learned how to use the verb TOSER in the present tense. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask simple yes or no questions with the verb TOSER. Remember that TOSER is a regular ER verb in the present tense, and this is how you conjugate it. Yo toso, I cough, I do cough, I am coughing. Tú toses, you cough, you do cough, you are coughing. Usted tose, you cough, you do cough, you are coughing. Él tose, he coughs, he does cough, he is coughing. Ella tose, she coughs, she does cough, she is coughing. Nosotros tosemos, we cough, we do cough, we are coughing. Vosotros toséis, you cough, you do cough, you are coughing. Ustedes tosen, you cough, you do cough, you are coughing. Ellos or ellas tosen. They cough, they do cough, they are coughing. Remember, the simple way to ask a yes or no question in the present tense is to simply reverse the word order. So verb first, conjugated verb first, then subject pronoun. Yo toso would become toso yo. Yo toso, I cough. Toso yo, do I cough? It can also mean am I coughing? Tú toses, you cough, becomes toses tú, which means do you cough or are you coughing, just depending on context. Usted tose, you cough, becomes tose usted, do you cough or are you coughing? Él tose, he coughs, becomes tose él, does he cough or is he coughing? Ella tose, she coughs, becomes tose ella, which means does she cough or is she coughing? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.